Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to restore deleted post in Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Click on to profile icon. First delete a post. Tap on to three dot, delete. Okay, now we can see how to restore a deleted post. Tap on the three line, your activity, recently deleted, okay, now done. That's how we can easily restore deleted post in Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.